So I am going to demonstrate how to use Adobe Scan to send your work onto Canvas in PDF form. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get Adobe Scan on your cell phone. And it looks like this is like kind of a pale blue one right there. So I'm going to click that. And then Adobe Scan kind of opens up and you can see, well, first of all, there you're looking at the paper. And Adobe Scan is really basically just a like a camera. So I'm going to kind of, I'm sorry about the shadow, but you see it's like a camera. And I'm going to take one picture. And see it goes down into the lower right hand corner. And then I'm going to go to the next page. And I'll take another picture. And then I'll go to the next page. And I'm going to take another picture. Of course, you know, when you're doing this, you'll be able to actually get the camera, you know, the whole piece of paper in the camera. I can't do that right now because I'm doing this on a document cam. And so now I have all three pages, and in the lower right hand corner, can you see it? See it says little 3 right there? And then I push that button. And what's it asking me to do? Clean up your scan. No, I don't want to do that. I'm not going to clean up my scan. I'm going to go up here to the top and I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to call it, I mean, I would call it my test or whatever, but I'm going to call it my 3 pages. And I just renamed it, so now it has a name that makes sense. And up here in the upper right hand corner it says Save PDF. So I'm going to save it as a PDF. And it's saving, and it's saved now. And then right up here at the top it says Share. See my 3 pages right there. And I'm going to share it, so I'm going to share it right there. And I'm going to share it, I could either share it as a link or via email. I don't know how to upload it directly to Canvas. Maybe somebody else can show you. But if I wanted to email it to somebody, like maybe myself, and then upload it from my computer, I could do that. So I'm going to email it. I'm going to email it as an attachment. And now I'm just going to send it to myself, gj@gjenkins.ndla.com. And I push send, and now it's going to show up on my computer. So Adobe Scan, pretty simple to use. You just got to download it to your phone, and it should be free. If you can't get Adobe Scan, something very similar is called Genius Scan, but that's how you use it. Okay? Great.